Hey, yeah, I'm just doing my homework. So glad you called. What's that? Oh, you have to carry groceries in for your mom. Are you gonna still be on call? Yeah, okay. That's fine. I still have to do my homework anyways, so like, no worries. I did 2 questions out of 25. Okay. So to do this, do I have a pencil? I have a lot of pencils, but like I don't want any of these pencils. I don't know that. Oh, I have this I have a fine liner. Like I have a fine line. I have like the eraser pencil. I want the eraser. It still kind of works. Yeah. I don't like that. Oh no, I could do pen. A pen could be good. I found this pen on like the floor. Oh, I still have my mechanical pencil. Like, the thing is, it doesn't have any more lead from graphite or whatever you want to say. Just like, well, I have multiple of these pens, so like, you can just use it. I have the red one too. Like, I really like the red one. The red one's pretty nice. I don't know. Okay. So first, we just use the pen. First, we make a box and have like the little things. Let's check out. So we're gonna do x squared in one, and then the middle one's gonna be the one in there, and you do 30. Right? So x squared is like x times x, right? So you just put that in. Then 30. To make 30, you do 10, and then you do 3. Like, but since we're trying to make it negative 13x, we do 10, negative 10, and negative 3, because those cancel out when they're like when they multiply. So like when you add the negative 10 and negative 13 up, it becomes negative 13x. Okay. And then third equation, you do x plus like whatever you made to make 30. So like x minus 10 and x minus 3. I really hope I'm right. I don't want to do this. Okay. Actually, I really like this one. Like, it's not even that bad. It's not even that bad. Like 25 questions. Like, if there was one that had to be 25 questions, I would choose this one because it's pretty good. Oh, I got it right. That's good. Okay. So, should I the speaker? Gotta really like organize my desk. I was crafting earlier, so x squared, right? So x. Middle number is negative 6x, and then the next number is negative 7. To make negative 7, you do negative 7. I guess that's to multiply to make negative 7 is like 1 and negative 7. So if you do 1 and negative 7, that adds up to negative 6x, right? So what do you do? I don't know. So x plus 1 and then times x minus 7. I think that's the answer. X plus 1. Plus 1 and x minus 7. Pretty fun. Oh, I got it correct. Good. If I put it wrong, that's it. I don't know, I usually just get the answer guide. But this one's pretty fun. I like doing this one. This one's pretty fun. I wasn't really paying attention in class, so I told my parents. But like, what was this? Like, I wasn't paying attention. No, I was paying attention, but like, no, I was mostly paying attention. Like, I still laughed at people's jokes, but I was paying mostly attention, you know. So this one's easy. So x squared, 21. So how do we get 21 to 10? So what equals 21? 7 times 3. So that equals 10. And so it'd be x plus 7 times 3 times x plus 3. 7 oh shoot, plus, so plus, and then x plus 3. Yeah. Okay. How do I get the rates? They're not even here right now, so I'm not even here. I'm just talking to myself. Okay. So, we're 20% done. Something, I think. 5 out of 25. Anyways. Okay. Gotta hurry up. This is so fun. I don't usually say that about math homework because I'm a bum. But, so x squared, x, that's what. And then you do 45. So 45, what makes 45? 45, 8 and 5. Or 8, 9, 5, 9 and 5. Why did I say 8 and 5? 9, 5. That adds up to negative 14. So negative to make it a negative 14. So you do x minus 9 times x minus 5. And then you get negative 14. Right? Yeah. Just put the parentheses first. Okay, that looks weird. Don't do that. Don't do that ever again. My 4, my 9 looked like a 4. That was bad. That's bad. That's bad. I hope this is right. I have one mistake. Because I was talking about 4s, so I typed in a 4 instead of the 5. That was my bad. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Make the little square on the bottom. So then you divide it up into sections, and x squared, and then negative 5 x, and then you have to get 14 and negative 5 together. So like first you just do that xx, negative 14. What makes negative 14? 7 and 2. So 7 and 2, negative 7. Yeah, negative 7 and 2 would equal to 5. So you multiply negative 7 and 2 together to get negative 14. But to get negative 5, you add negative 7 and 2 to get negative 5. So I think that's all. Yeah. So x minus 7, x plus 2. If I put it in the opposite way, does it also mark it correct? Because I'm doing this online, so I don't know. It shouldn't. It should mark it as correct, I think. Yeah. Oh, okay, yeah, it does, because it says for I scrolled up, because I don't usually check my answers, so it does it really weird, but, it says, the answer is x plus 2 times x minus 7, and my answer is x minus 7, x plus 2, so, it works out, okay. Continuing on. Oh, this one, I don't need to use the table. This one, okay. So it says 30x minus 70x to the power of 4. I don't know. It's like squared, cubed, and I don't know. I don't know what the 4 was. I don't know what 4 is. So, okay, I kind of forgot. I think I have the answer, like, the examples in my folder, but I'm kind of lazy to get that right now. So, show example of, okay. Oh, okay, yeah, because you can show the examples on this. Like, it won't show you the thing of the actual equation, but it'll just show me an example of a different equation that's used, like, the same formula. So, greatest common factor, so like 10 and x. Okay. So yeah, we got like 10 and x. So what we do is like 10x, right? And then you do 3 minus 7x squared. 7x 7x cubed. Okay. I hope that works. I'm way better at the other equation than I am at this one. I like the other ones better because they're actually really fun. Functions? No. Oh shoot. Go back. No, go back. Okay, yeah. Just do squared. And then edit the square, so it's just 3. So it's cubed. Yes, I got it correct. I really hoped it didn't say, like, oh, you have one mistake, because that sucked. This is due tomorrow. Yeah, 1 p.m. 1 p.m. When do I even have math? What period? Okay. I have math. Okay. So, I get into math at 1:09 p.m. So, like, 9 minutes before lunch ends, I have to turn this in. Well, it's okay. I'm just gonna do it right now. I'm just gonna do it right now. 28, 25. So we have 8 left, and there's 25. So, like, 25, that's 8. So you just, like, 1, you know. And it's been so long. Because you just use a calculator, you know. So the remainder, so like it gives that, so it's 15, which really doesn't help. But you do 2, so it's, you have to really you have to test your skills. It's like 17 mark questions. You have to test your skills, like, you know, because like if you don't practice, then you get worse at your skills. Right? So it's important for you even to do like addition, because later in life, if you're just asked on the spot, hey, what is this equal? And you don't know, that's gonna be really bad, because you know that you've just been using a calculator this whole time. Right? I can't speak for myself though, I don't do that. I don't really, like, you asked me like, okay, so if the tip is 12% and our total bill was 60, how much will we tip? And I'm like, oh, I don't know. It's really bad. $5? I don't think so. If actually, I do want to know what that answer is. So it's 60, right? 60 is the total. And if the tip is, what did I say? $12. 12. How many 12s can fit into 60? 5, right? So and you tipped 12%. How much in total is the bill? Really? Yeah, I don't know why I did that. Yeah, so like, okay, you just multiply by 0. Well, no, you do like 60 times 1.12, and then you get like 67.20. I don't know. I don't like anytime that I learn something, I kind of just like kick out the previous information that I learned out. You know? So it's not really good. Not at all. Not at all. I really need to stop talking to myself. It's like a really long time for them to like just carry out groceries. It's been like 16 minutes. 16. It's a lot of time. Well, it's okay. Oh, next question. Oh, yeah. Okay. Okay, so x squared. Middle number is negative 3x and negative 40. 40. Fun to say. I don't know. Okay. So x, right? In the middle is 40. So it makes 40 4 and 10. But the thing is, it's negative 40 and negative 3x. So I could just do a positive. You know? So 4 and 10. That wouldn't work because, like, if I just did, like, 10 is the negative, then it would be 6. But if I did 4 is negative, it would be... if I did 10 is negative, it would be negative 6. If I did 4, it would be, like, positive 6. So, like, that wouldn't really work. So you have to find a different combination that multiplies, that equals 40, but when added together equals 3, negative 3, right? Man, it sucks. I'm listening. Should I change my playlist? I don't know. I'm just like listening to a 12-hour loop of Synthetic Lullaby from Destroying the... What? I don't think I am saving. I do really like that. This is actually like really calming. That like I really like this music. I feel like I should save it. Watch later. I don't know. Just like calming. It's very calming. Like really, really good. It's I feel wow. Like sleep to this. This is wow. Sorry. I don't know. So 40. Okay, right. What also makes 40? 7 and 5. I would like to say 7 and 5. 7s? No. 8 and 5. I feel like I have this same conundrum earlier. Cause like, so 5 times 6 is 30. I'm not using calculator this. I'm too good for a calculator in this one. it's too easy, but I'm not doing it fast enough. So like 80, right? So like, what? Now, what am I talking about? So 3, what? 6 times 5 equals 30, right? So if I want to get 10 more, then I do 2 up. So it'd be 8. So 8 So it's 8 and 5. You do -8 plus 5 times 5, and so that'd be x minus 8 times x plus 5, right? So x plus minus 8 x plus divided by x plus 5 parentheses. Oh, hey, welcome back. You're back. Oh, you have to use the bathroom. yeah. No, it's fine. Like, it's fine. I get it. That must have been really hard, like, to carry in the I don't want to sound sarcastic. I'm sorry. Yeah, no, it's fine. You can get used to that there. It's like, that's just basic human need. Yeah. I told them not to have that Taco Bell. It's really unfortunate. Oh my gosh. It's getting kind of late to their like time limit. Yo, this is so bad. Okay, anyways, factor the expression completely. So, continuing on. So we do, what's the common factor? X? I think X is like the only common factor. That's right, so X, so 5X minus 6. It's like 5 and 6, they don't really have a lot of common. Right? I think so, at least. So 5x minus 6. Correct. Yay. Yippee. Okay, this one is the same. Not the same as the last one. This is the one. Always been good. I like this one. So x squared, xx, xx, you know the deal. The middle one is x, and 20. 20? Oh, shoot. So we have to get x to equal to 20. To equal to 20. I don't know. Can I skip this one? I'm just gonna write skip. Yeah, still stuck. Yeah, I don't want to do that one. Show the solution. To factor x squared minus 1x minus 20, ask yourself, what two numbers multiply to 20 and add up to 1x? So you would do because like I wasn't thinking about it as like 1. I was thinking about it as in it's a variable that like could be any number. You know what I'm saying? So, like, I have 15 left. This is so rigged. This is so rigged. Okay, this one's the same one, but I kind of felt like kind of ran out of space on my papers a bit over. Next time I run out of space, I'm just gonna use like the back of an assignment paper that's completed because I actually have a lot. Like I kind of stored them because I'm too lazy to recycle them right when I get home. So I just kind of put them in my like paper organizer. So like honestly, because like also at school they use colored paper. So well sometimes I use plain white paper, but a lot of times I use colored paper. So I was planning to use that for crafts. But I think I still have like plain white paper assignment sheets that I got back. So I kind of have to no, I don't have to do. I kind of have to like. I should use them. So negative 10 x squared x, right? And then 10 9, so like negative 10. What makes negative 10? It's like negative 10 times 1, and you do that, and positive 1. Okay, so you do positive 10, negative 1. Okay, right? Yeah. I think we're rolling. We're rolling. I think we make a great team. I'm talking to myself. Positive 10, right? And then times. X minus 1. Oh, I typed that in wrong. It was saying, like, oh, hey, you just did something, and it's not like, I don't know what you were doing. So, okay. Correct. On a roll. We're on a roll. But, except for that last one. That was pretty bad. Anywho. Next one. So the middle one is 4. Negative 4. Negative 14. And when you get 40 to negative 14. 40. I don't know, I just wrote 40 in there. 14, right? Circles are 40. Didn't we do this already? We did negative 40 and 8 times 8, negative 8, 5. 14. No, because if we did 8 plus 5. If we did 8 plus 5, it would be 13. 13. So we can't do that. So, yeah, no. Also, I forgot. So 40, 10, and 4. Just make one negative. X minus 10, x plus 4. I have one mistake. Probably. Oh, negative 14. Is that how that works? No, that is how it works. Because if I do them both negative, it's not gonna work. So I think I'm just gonna do positive 10 and negative. Oh. No, if I make them both negative, then it equals a positive, because we're doing positive 40, you know? So that's not how that works. Yeah, so it's negative 10, negative 4. Yeah, yeah, I got it right. Oh, you're back. Great. This homework was being such a pain. What do you want to hop on?